At Splunk, especially at Surge, we're constantly gathering customer feedback so we can stay ahead of cyber threats and support customer security posture at all times. It's how we design our products to stay at the forefront of our customers' needs.
So you're in the data center, you're at the heart, you're kind of watching what's going on with customer data. What are the insights that you get from that to make that customer experience better?
We use a lot of customer logs, a lot of product logs, a lot of application logs to be able to look at individual customer performance with our products. And so we use that data to be able to better understand what our customers are doing and really why they're doing what they're doing. Because ultimately that helps us work with our product and our application developers to give them an idea what maybe they need to be working on to help make the product better for all customers.
We have to understand what the customer is trying to achieve in order for us to drive success in that experience. So for us to understand what outcomes they're trying to achieve allows us to be able to meet their mark, their expectations, and essentially drive customer success.
I think understanding our customers' needs and being able to differentiate their experience based on who they are and what they're doing is really important, but also really being able to give them the service they need, be responsive, be a good partner, advise them on the things that matter, and really help foster, build, and maintain that trust. All of those customer experience facets are really important for our customers.
What are some of the big challenges that you see in monitoring operational technology?
I was blown away too by the Edge Hub, right? Because so often we see that folks want to get good monitoring, good telemetry in their operational technology networks, manufacturing, utilities, etc. So often though, that requires changes to their network infrastructure.
Sure.
Edge Hub's all out of band, right? It was so many use cases for this because I don't have to change anything in my plant or my utility. I can just plug it in and start getting instant monitoring. It's fantastic.
What's top of mind then for a leader like you in terms of customer experience?
To us, it means a new user's ability to get into the platform quickly and feel that there is a benefit to doing what they're doing almost right away.
I think customer experience is a lot of different things to different customers depending on who they are and what they're doing. But for us at Splunk, customer experience is really about how we're supporting our customers, how we're recognizing their needs and their interests. We're making it really easy for them to be a Splunk customer by bringing them all the services that they need, customized for where they're at in their journey, the industry they serve, and what's a priority for them as a customer.
In my job, using Splunk to monitor the health of all of our systems, all of our customer-facing products, we use Splunk every day, all day, every day, to help us ensure that our products are functioning as well as we expect them to be, or as well as our customers expect them to be.
One of our technical goals is to have near zero downtime. And for us, observability is the way to get us there, to be ahead of the game on issues and try to resolve them before it hits anything that's considered downtime.
And how is your organization, or how can organizations better align between their senior leadership and their teams, and then also their strategies?
Again, looking at the metrics, looking at the data points, having conversations between organizations and saying, hey, how can we better leverage what we have today to better support future mission? And so we do that quite a bit on a daily basis with briefings, with other members of leadership and other members within the DoD to be able to create a more unified support system.
How does enhancing the customer experience enable your organization to bolster digital resilience?
Well, we always want to be ahead of the issues that are facing our customers. And we support providers, doctors, hospital facilities, and it is really important that they have systems that are always running for them. And that's what our teams are supporting. And we support those teams in order to be proactive. So it's really important that those systems that are running those applications are always running for the teams.
Making sure that our customers are happy and they're being successful with Splunk. And so everything we do at Splunk is architected around the customer journey. So we work together and we think about where customers are, what are they doing in their day-to-day, what channels, what content, what people really matter to them. And we think about that journey and what comes next. So my whole team is designing across multiple channels, thinking through how do we help customers with their challenges, their problems, and how do we bring them the right sort of Splunk solution or Splunk person at the right time on that journey to build their success. And we have a ton of fun doing it. You can probably tell. We really want to make this journey fun. We want to make Splunk easy to get to know and get to learn and to have a really long and successful journey with.
What do you think the importance is in linking customer experience strategies to corporate strategies?
So many leaders think about the business and they think about the employees, but equally and even more importantly, paramount, is thinking about your customers. Your customers are ultimately what drives success for you, and you want to make sure that they are successful as well. So developing these trusting relationships, making customers know, especially now, that you're there for them to help them solve their most critical problems. That's what we need to do. And all leaders should be thinking about how their teams can do that and how they can lead their teams through that transformation.